Okay, back on the front of the GTO here today. Trying to fit up some of these inner fenders and everything. I hate this powder coated stuff. You try not to scratch it, try not to chip it. Of course nothing fits right. It's almost like they're pieces from a different car, but we're putting her together here. And this is what you run into. We've got a new clip kit for this. Typical J clips, not a big deal. Now when you put them on, slide them all the way up on, and get the bolt in. That bolt won't come through. So I don't think you can see it when you look down through there. You see that little bit right there, that little bit of fender. These J clips aren't deep enough. They won't slide up onto the fender part. So now I've got an alteration to make here. And the only real way to do that is center them up, mark them each side, and we'll grind out a little bit right here so they can set in just a little bit farther. Just more time. Everything's been time on this one. Alright, I'll bring you back when we make these fit. Alright, with the favorite tool of choice here. Able to remove a bit of this lip off right here. See how much there. Clip up here. There we go. Give us our clearance we have to put those in now. Alright, I'll go ahead and get all the rest of these put together. Come back when we make more progress. Oh boy. It's like trying to put together a jigsaw puzzle with all the wrong pieces. Man. Oh, things just don't line up, fellas. Working hard on this one. Just don't line up. Struggling with her. That's what I hate about powder coat too. Even though you've got it all taped, you try. You tape anywhere you're going to have contact, wherever you know it. Well, I don't know what this is here. I can see like grain right here. Specks in it. I don't know what that is in it. I don't know, some kind of contamination. Like over here, I'm going to tape these holes on this top here like I did the other side over there. The fender make touch, but there's already something here. Something here. I just hate this stuff. I like to do all my fitting and all my alterations on unprepped parts. That way I finish them after I've done all my fitting. But it is what it is, so we're going to continue with this. So we've got this fender on and trying to get all these other splash aprons and everything all in here. They're going, but not willingly. You run into things like this, you can't figure these kind of things out. Got our line on here, here. I can't come out anymore. I'm flush out here. Look at this contour line. Fender goes down, door goes up. I've already corrected it on the other side, and I will correct it on this side. A little hammer work on these parts, and these lines will be the same. Can't come up. We're good here, good here. Lines are on down here. There's where the change is. We go straight down from here. Right where it meets the rocker, it curves out around the door. So there's no up or down or anything else to do to this door, this fender door alignment. That's what it is. So we'll alter the pieces. They will fit when we're all done. Alright, I'll bring you back when we get this other fender on. Try to get our grill surround put back in, see how far off everything is now that the inner fender aprons, all these other splash aprons are all in place. Alright, bring it back.